I'm Anaïs Varo, a PhD candidate from the University of Girona in Spain, and I'm doing a PhD thesis on political science and specifically on energy studies and how institutional innovation and governance innovation in the energy sector can help to tackle energy inequalities and energy poverty. My research is divided in two main parts. The first part is being focused on investigating how technological innovations and governance innovations can interact in specific policies to tackle energy poverty. The main insights from this specific research has been that there is a gap between the inclusion of vulnerable collectives in technological innovative solutions, and that the governance innovation in a specific initiatives at a local, regional or national level can help to include these vulnerable collectives in this kind of new programs or technologically innovative programs. The second part of my research refocuses my research topic to institutional and governance innovation. My objective is to explore how different cases of energy democracy that have become on institutional innovation have been successful or not addressing energy inequalities and energy poverty. Ultimately, this research will provide with insights for policymakers and also for governments to improve the citizens' empowerment and their inclusion in more active and more democratic form of managing energy in the energy sector, especially at a local level.